we are having 2x minus m squared is equals to 15. Let's follow this. We're having 2x. Okay, so 2x the same as 2 over 2, which is equals to 2x minus m squared is equals to 15. All right. Now, 2m times m over n is the same as 2 mm over m. So how do we solve this? Now, solution to this. Our first solution, we're going to say 2x divided by 2 minus m squared is equals to 15. Is equals to 15. All right, let's see now. What's going to be the solution? So, in these instances, we're going to say 2x over 2 bracket 2 minus m squared is equals to 15. All right, let's go further. Now, let's go further. Now, we're having something like this. So, we'll say 2. We're going to say 2x over 2 plus m, and then 2x over 2 minus m is equals to 5 times 3. This is equals to 15, and this can take us back to this. All right, let's see now what do we have. We're going to say 2x over 2 plus m is equals to 5. Say 1. We're going to say 2x over 2 minus m is equals to 3. We say it's 2. It's a 2 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, let's go forward now. M squared minus m squared is equals to 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. And then we say this give us m squared plus m squared is equals to 2. Is equals to 2. Now, 2m squared is equals to 2. Then we divide by 2. Now, m squared is equals to 1. Now, m squared is equals to 1. What do we do in these instances? We say the square root. Now, the square root cancel this. Then m is equals to 1. All right. So we say 2x divided by 2 plus m is equals to 5. This is our second. M is equals to 1 from this 1. Then we say 2x divided by 2 plus 1 is equals to 5. Now 2x divided by 2 is equals to 5 minus 1. Let's go now further to expand this. Now let's go further to expand this. Remember we have 2x divided by 2 is equals to 5 minus 1. Let's expand this. We are having 2x divided by 2 is equals to 4. 4 is equals to 2, the square root of 2. Then we say 2x divided by 2 is equals to 2. Now, in this instance, what do we do? Something like this, what do we do? Now, when the base are the same, we add the exponent. We say our exponent says x over 2 is equals to 2. When the base are the same, we add the exponent. Now, exponent is x over 2 is equals to 2. So then what do we do after? We say multiply by 2, multiply by 2. X is equals to 4. Now, x is equals to 4 and m is equals to 1. We need to prove. Let's check. Or let's prove. Let's prove. We had 2x minus m squared is equals to 15. Whenever we see x, we put 4. Whenever we see m, we put 1. All right. Now 2. What is our x? Is 4. All right. Minus. What is our m? Is 1. Is equals to 15. All right. Let's see. 2 to the exponent 4 is 16. Minus 1 is equals to 15. This is equals to 15 is equals to 15. Now, this is proved. We have proved it. We have proved it. Thank you. Subscribe, share, like, ring button for the next one. Thank you for watching my video.